Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be headed to Lowe's to pick up a light switch. Our fan on our light switch had broke and we needed to replace it. In the first step, we are wiring the pull chain switch into the ceiling fan light kit. Here we're connecting the wire nuts to the new pull chain switch for the light kit on the ceiling fan. Here, I'm just cleaning up a little bit, all the dust. And here we're connecting the quick connects from the light kit to the power. Here, we're reinstalling the light kit to the ceiling fan. Here we're installing the light shades back in. And in this final step, we're adding the light bulbs. And here's the final look. If you haven't, please subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching.